so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for a Unicorn Slime Kit. This is a huge box for what I thought it would be. So right now on Amazon, this is retailing for $24.90, and it comes with slime, glitter, putty, and I'm just really excited to see what's in it, to be honest. This is a pretty big box for unicorn slime. Oh my god, how many? 3 slime kits. We have so much slime. I don't know if this is all the same. This one already seems to be open. It came like this, so I'm just gonna open it. So it comes with a little instruction booklet. I'm gonna try and find all of the ingredients that it says it should come with. We have white foam balls, we have pink foam balls, we have blue foam balls, and we should have purple. So we got 4 large containers, 4 small containers, and they all come with their own caps. We also have jelly cubes, and we have clay. So then we have the 2 measuring cups, we have the tool knife kit, and we have the stirring sticks. And for the bigger ingredients, we have the borax and we have the glue. And then it comes with a little package right here. So we have the blue, the pink, and the purple glitter flakes. We also have the snow powder, and we have the pearls, which are really cute. So this is actually not listed on the instructions of what we have, but I guess this was just a bonus. I don't know what they are, maybe like little marbles. We have the 4 ink colors in pink, white, purple, and blue. And lastly, we have the 4 scent flavors. This one is bubblegum, this one is candy, this one is vanilla, and the last one is strawberry. And then basically every page shows you how to make a certain slime. So there's clear slime, there's fluffy colored clay slime, we also have foam slime and jelly cube slime. So it shows you all the different types of slime you can make, which is really exciting. So the only thing that I'm actually missing in this kit is the purple foam balls, but other than that, it's great. I also got 2 other kits, so I'm going to open this up and see if this one has the purple balls. Oh, it does! Okay, so this is what the purple one would look like. So I'm going to make the cloud slime right here, and it says I need to mix around 50 milliliters of water to 10 milliliters of snow powder. Slowly add the snow powder a little at a time to basic slime 1 or 2. Mix together and add more until you reach your desired consistency. So let's do it! So firstly, I'm following the basic slime before I do the cloud slime. So I first needed to make borax water, which I had no idea what it was because it wasn't, oh, it was there. Okay, never mind. It was right here. So it tells you what borax mixture is. I didn't see that. However, I did see it on the bottle. It said borax activator and how to make borax water. So I guess I tell you pretty much everywhere. And it says I need to shake this up and make sure that it is fully mixed. Also says I need 30 milliliters of clear glue. So I'm going to put the 30 milliliters of clear glue in here first. I'm going to be putting it in this mixing cup. And then I'm going to take the borax water, and it says a few drops. So I'm just going to put a few drops in there. So we have made some slime. This is so cool! I actually have never made slime before, so if I can make it, you can make it. Next portion, I need 10 milliliters of snow powder, and I got the 50 milliliters of water. So I'm just gonna mix that stuff together. That should be good. So I got my 10 milliliters. I'm gonna be completely honest, that was awesome. I definitely made a mess. I don't know if I did it right, but it feels so cool. So I'm just gonna keep it anyway. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!